fellow scratchers, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how you can make shadows in Scratch. So yeah, let's begin. Alrighty, let's get started. So let's go to the Events tab and grab a when flag clicked. Let's go to Looks and grab a set size to 100 just to make sure nothing gets resetted on accident. And then after that, let's go to Control and let's create a clone of myself. Alright, now let's grab a when I start as a clone. Let's first go to Looks, go to Back Layer, then let's just make a new block to make all the shadows come true and stuff. Yeah, so let's make a block and call it Generate Shadow, colon, clone, transparency, colon, with an input of clone trans, and with the label of CX, aka clone X, colon, input of CX, label of CY, colon, and with an input of CY. Alright, we're good there. Let's just click OK. And let's just put that in there. Alright, so for the clone transparency input bubble, let's just put, let's see, negative, actually no, just 55, yes. Alright, with CX of -6, and CY also -6. Alright, now let's just make this shadow actually appear. So let's start off by going to the Looks and grab a set brightness to -100, and with a set ghost effect to clone trans. Let's grab a repeat in the Control tab, and let's just put that for repeat 5 times, and let's duplicate it and repeat 2 times. Let's go to motion, let's grab a change X by and a change Y by, and let's just change X by CX and change Y by CY. Alright, so for testing purposes only, let's go to sensing and set drag mode to draggable. Let's also go to Events tab and grab a when space key pressed. Let's go to Looks and put next costume, and I'll be showing you that it works with any costume, not only Scratch Cat. Also, let's edit on the My Block and tick Run Without Screen Refresh, and I think that would be good. Now I'm just going to put different kinds of costumes, so I'll be right back. Alright, so as you see, the shadow was created, and you can see that there's a duplicate of Scratch Cat, but it's a shadow, and that looks really cool. And when I press the space key, you can see it changes, and Nano appears with a shadow also, Frank also, and Gaga too, and the bat. Yep, so they all have shadows. It's really cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.